Let's take a look at this professional trimmer and clipper set right here. As you can see, it's nice and compact. It is metal and heavy duty, very durable. You can see the action right there. And right on the front, you see our battery, how much battery we have left right there. And it is a Type-C charger, so, easy to charge. Right there, our USB to Type-C, plugs right in, charges right up. It does come with 4 different size attachments for different lengths. Easy to use, just snap right on. And it does come with a little brush, our blade oil, and a cover for the blade, so you can store it easily. Very nice looking. And as you can see, I'm just trimming up right here on my neck. It does a great job without the guards, but we can trim up everything we need. You can even cut hair with this. It is a great tool, nice and fast, and does a great job trimming up my neck right there. So if you're looking for a professional hair trimmer and clipper, this is the one for you. I give this a 5-star out of 5-star review.